Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you guys are here. Today we got a quick unboxing on something that's not a knife, something that came in from Prometheus lights. Before I get into it, I just want to say thank you to the channel members, and thank you to all the channel subscribers, and thank you to anyone who just comes in to check out my knife, my EDC content. I really appreciate it. If you're so inclined and you hadn't had a chance yet, if you click the subscribe and the bell notification icon, it really does help me out. So I'm going to be taking this little Amazon butterfly utility knife, and I'm going to cut into this box from Prometheus lights. I think this is one of their, let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, got some stuff to check out and stuff for giveaways. Very cool, very cool. So what do we got here, guys? Little battery charger. And this is their Foursevens, or Foursevens. Foursevens is their line of, I guess you call them more affordable lights. So we've got this little, I want to say this is a little X-Tar AC battery charger, and then we've got, I don't know what that is. Those are two little, and guys, we've got some of these little keyring Prometheus connectors, which we will include. These little Kappa QRs, or yeah, Kappa QR. Let's take a look at these, and we will include these in our weekly giveaways. But yeah, that's just a quick release. And then you've got different size rings. Very cool. So you got a push-pull connector with 10 pounds holding force, blah, 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 replaceable spring. Put that back in there. Very cool of them to send that stuff out. So let's see what we've got in our light here. As you guys know, I've kind of gotten into getting some EDC lights, and Prometheus is one that I've been eyeballing. Let's see if I can get that without tearing it up, which I luckily did. Very cool looking light. Looks like it's kind of a gunmetal. Recharge me early and often. Little manual here. I'm just curious what those rings are. Blah, 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 blah. Alright guys, so it looks like we've got a couple of grommets. Looks like this is what goes, I don't know, I'll have to figure that out. Alright. Alright, I'm going to have to charge this baby up. But it is a very cool looking light. Looks like it's got several different programmable configurations. And what I'll do, guys, this is just an unboxing. So you've got high plus burst, you've got a max strobe, medium, high plus burst, low, medium, high. So you can set it up with a lot of different configurations. Looks like it's going to be very cool. So I'm going to charge this cell, and we will get after it. And we will do a review on the Foursevens by Prometheus lights. And this is the Quark QUARK MKIII. And this must be the color QK16L. Very, very cool. Shows your brightness levels for your lumens, your runtime, your max distance. Looking forward to checking it out. Guys, thanks for taking the time. Thanks for stopping by to look at the knife, the EDC content. Let's get this little guy out. And we will use it to charge our battery. And I want to thank Prometheus 47 for sending this stuff out for me to check out. Really cool of them. And I'll share it with you guys. I do appreciate each and every one of you every time you stop by. If you happen to be watching this on Wednesday, I hope you're having a great day. If you happen to be watching on Thursday, even better. Another great day. Another day forward. Guys, I love each and every one of you. All I ask is please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. I think it's kind of a brown metal, not gunmetal. And please choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.